The Amazon Rainforest, a place of legends, a world of untamed wilderness where the unknown still thrives. It is Earth's beating heart, producing 20% of the world's oxygen and sheltering 1 out of every 10 species on the planet. But even today, much of it remains unexplored. Hidden deep within this vast green labyrinth are boiling rivers, mountains that touch the clouds, and creatures that seem more mythical than real. Is it possible that some of the Amazon's greatest secrets remain undiscovered? What if this rainforest holds the key to ancient civilizations, undiscovered species, and natural phenomena that defy logic? Join us as we journey into the heart of the Amazon to uncover its unexplored wonders. The Amazon River. Stretching over 6,500 kilometers, 4,000 miles, the Amazon River is not just a body of water. It is a force of nature, the largest and most powerful river on Earth. It pumps more water into the ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined, and during the rainy season, it can swell to a width of 48 kilometers, 30 miles, swallowing everything in its path. But the Amazon River is also a world of giants. From the arapaima, a prehistoric fish that can grow up to 4.5 meters, 15 feet, to the green anaconda, the heaviest snake on Earth, lurking beneath the surface. And then there are the legends. Stories of monstrous river creatures, from the flesh-eating piranhas to the mythical Yakumama, the mother of waters, a giant serpent said to pull boats into the depths. But are these just stories? Or could there be truth hidden beneath the waves? The meeting of the waters. Imagine 2 great rivers meeting, yet refusing to mix. This is the meeting of the waters, one of the Amazon's strangest natural phenomena. The Rio Negro, dark as tea, moves sluggishly rich with tannins from decaying vegetation. Meanwhile, the Rio Solimões rushes forward filled with sediment from the Andes Mountains. And for over 6 kilometers, 4 miles, these 2 giants flow side by side, completely separate. Why does this happen? Scientists point to differences in temperature density and speed. But indigenous tribes have another explanation. An ancient rivalry between 2 powerful river spirits forever locked in a silent battle. The Amazon rainforest canopy. High above the jungle floor. In the towering treetops of the Amazon, a hidden metropolis exists, one where sloths hang effortlessly upside down, where monkeys swing between branches with acrobatic precision, and where entire ecosystems thrive far from human eyes. Nearly 90% of the Amazon's wildlife lives here, in this sky-high sanctuary. But it's not just animals. Scientists believe that thousands of plant species and insects hidden in the canopy remain undiscovered, waiting for someone brave enough to climb into their world. Could the cure for some of humanity's deadliest diseases be hiding in these treetops? Some scientists think so, and time is running out to find it. The boiling river. Deep in the Peruvian Amazon, hidden from the world, lies a river so hot it should not exist. Water temperatures reach 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to kill anything that falls in. And the strangest part, there is no volcanic activity nearby to explain it. Geologists were baffled. How could a river this hot exist in the middle of a rainforest? Some believe it is heated by deep underground geothermal forces, but locals tell a different story. A story of Yakumama, the giant serpent spirit, whose breath makes the river boil. Is this a simple geological anomaly, or evidence of something we still don't understand? The enigmatic Tepui Mountains. They are called the islands in the sky. Ancient mountains so isolated that they have been untouched for millions of years. The Tepui Mountains of the Amazon are among the oldest geological formations on Earth, and they hold creatures and secrets that exist nowhere else. Scientists have discovered species on these mountains that exist nowhere else on the planet. Creatures that evolved in complete isolation, as if from another world. These lost worlds inspired Sir Arthur Conan Doyle's The Lost World, and even today, they hold mysteries yet to be unraveled. What else could be hiding up here above the clouds? Amazonian river in the sky. Most people think of the Amazon River as the region's most important waterway. But what if we told you that the real Amazon River flows in the sky? Scientists have discovered that the Amazon rainforest itself creates an invisible river, carrying billions of gallons of water through the atmosphere. More than the Amazon River itself. These flying rivers transport moisture thousands of miles away, influencing weather patterns as far as Argentina, the Andes, and even the Sahara Desert. This means that deforestation is not just destroying trees. It's disrupting an entire weather system that keeps the planet's climate in balance. If the Amazon's river in the sky were to disappear, how would the rest of the world be affected? Could the Amazon hold the key to the future of Earth's climate? Ew. The world's largest tropical peatland. Hidden beneath the jungle floor lies one of the most important ecosystems on Earth. An enormous peatland, covering over 145,000 square kilometers, 56,000 square miles, making it the largest tropical peatland on the planet. But what makes this place so remarkable is that these waterlogged soils have been storing carbon for over 10,000 years, trapping massive amounts of greenhouse gases that would otherwise be released into the atmosphere. If destroyed, these peatlands could release as much carbon as the entire planet produces in a year. This is not just an ecosystem, it's a ticking time bomb. Scientists believe this region may also hold ancient human artifacts and fossils buried deep within the layers of peat. Could this vast underground jungle be a time capsule preserving evidence of civilizations long lost to history? The pink river dolphins. In most places, dolphins are creatures of the ocean, but in the Amazon they swim through the jungle. These are the pink river dolphins, one of the strangest and most mysterious freshwater species on Earth. Unlike their oceanic cousins, these dolphins have flexible necks and paddle-like flippers. Local legends say these dolphins are not just animals. They are shapeshifters known as Boto and Cantado. According to myth, they can transform into handsome men at night, seducing humans before vanishing back into the river. Some even believe that seeing a pink dolphin is a sign of bad luck or a warning from the spirits. Could there be truth to these legends? After all, the Amazon is a place where the impossible often turns out to be real. Parrots and Macaws. the Amazon is a world of color. And no creatures display it more beautifully than its parrots and macaws. With over 150 species living in the rainforest, these birds are as intelligent as they are spectacular. But why do they do this? Scientists have discovered that these birds eat clay to neutralize toxins found in the seeds and fruits they consume. It's a behavior seen almost nowhere else on Earth. And if you think they're just beautiful, think again. Macaws have the intelligence of a 4-year-old child and can even learn human speech. Some researchers believe that studying them could unlock secrets about avian intelligence and communication. Could these birds be far smarter than we ever imagined? Amazon Rainforest Biodiversity. There is no place on Earth like the Amazon. It is home to 10% of the planet's known species, yet scientists estimate that millions more remain undiscovered. Every year, researchers uncover hundreds of new species. Some so bizarre they seem like they belong to another planet. But as deforestation increases, many species could vanish before we even know they exist. Could the next life-saving medicine, the next scientific breakthrough, be hidden here, waiting to be found before time runs out? The Amazon is more than a rainforest. It is a beating heart, a vast and ancient world that has shaped life on this planet for millions of years. A place where science and myth collide, where the past, present, and future intertwine in ways we are only beginning to understand. For every answer we uncover, the Amazon presents 1,000 more questions. How many species remain undiscovered? What secrets lie beneath its waters, hidden in its soil, or whispered in the wind? Could it hold the key to curing diseases, understanding climate change, or even unlocking mysteries about life itself? One thing is certain: the more we explore, the more we realize how little we truly know. The Amazon is not just a place. It is a reminder of how much wonder still exists in the world. And perhaps that is its greatest mystery of all.